Guys, it's your girl NiNi Court and I'm back with another video. So today what I have in store is a makeup tutorial. Yay! One of my favorite things to do. So today what I will actually be doing, I will be doing a tutorial on yellow makeup. Hint, hint, is the reason why I have a yellow shirt on. I wanted to match everything. So yeah, so let me just tell you a little bit what's going on. So I have all of my colors here. I'm gonna, show you the palettes, everything like that. I'm gonna keep on looking over here because I do have a mirror here. I don't have a front mirror, so I'm gonna just keep on looking at this side. But I'm gonna periodically, time to time, just show you, like, what I'm doing and everything. With every step, you're not gonna miss anything. And yeah. Oh, one other thing, please, please, please ignore these, okay? Like, I know I should be more on it because my hands is doing a lot of talking in this video, but I got you next time. That's all I can say right now, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so let's get into this video. Oh wait, before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and go ahead and give me some suggestions that you think that I should do next, or anything that's like trending or anything. It just doesn't matter. Just hit my DM, hit the comment section, and yeah, let's get into it. For you that want to actually know how I do my eyebrows, I have a separate channel just for my eyebrows. Alright, you guys, so I'm finally done with this makeup tutorial. Just let you guys see the look. Yeah, so this is the look. This is the yellow. It's cool. It's a nice little glow, a nice little summer glow. Like I said, please tone it down with the rest of your outfit. I did make the mistake of trying to wear yellow and trying to match that, so I don't want this to take away from the makeup look, but yeah, it'll work for now. You guys know what I mean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like I said in the beginning, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl to see more from me, and I can see more from you. But yeah, you guys, have a great day. Have a fabulous day. Have a positive day. Think positive and keep your head up, and I will be back with more videos. Thank you, guys.